welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. If you enjoy decorating, tablescapes, vignettes, DIYs, hauls, thrift flips, then honey, you have reached the right channel. So I know you've all seen those chain link table decor pieces. So that is what I'm going to create for my first DIY. I purchased from the Dollar Tree 3 of these wooden snakes. Removing the head and tail, I'm going to use wood glue and a dab of hot glue to connect the two ends. And then I'm going to place the second and third circles together. And I hope I explained that well. Just watch and see what I'm doing. Once they are all connected and thoroughly dry, I'm going to give them 2 coats of gold spray paint. And there we have it, DIY number 1. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love the way that DIY number 1 came out. And I hope you do too. So let me know what you think in those comments. Today I'm participating in the open collaboration, What Would You Make? Hosted by OK at Home DIY, Connie's Creative Creations, and their guest host, Rustic and Lace DIY. Links to all their channels will be in my description box below. So let's move on to number 2. I found this old cutting board at the Goodwill for $1.99. It was scratched up and well worn and well used, but that's okay because I'm using it as a decor piece. Now, I know that you have noticed in the stores lately that there are a lot of ebony stained cutting boards, and I just love that look and wanted to recreate it. So what I'm doing here is giving it 2 coats of black acrylic paints. Once that paint has thoroughly dried on the other side, I flip it over and using Dollar Tree lettering, I create my text. And I have to tell you, I can't wait until Crickets go on sale again, because I am going to get one if it's the last thing I do. This Dollar Tree lettering turned into a nightmare because once the paint dried, it was so hard to peel away the lettering that I ended up losing the word "the." But that's okay, your girl is a trooper, and I'm going to make it work. So let me know what you think of project number 2. Unfortunately, the paint ran underneath the H and the E, so I ended up painting the whole thing black. I then coated it with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum, and here is the final result. Let's move on to DIY number 3, and I really like this one. So I picked up 2 different types of Dollar Tree rope and one of these wood rounds also from the Dollar Tree. And I am going to weave this in and out, creating a trivet, or it could be used as a wall hanging, depending on how you feel. And this one, I really like the way it came out. So if you just watch what I'm doing, I'm going around and around and securing the first rope with hot glue. Then I'm going to come in with the second rope and weave it in and out of the first one, creating a two-tone look. And I just love the way it came out. And I hope you do too. Let me know in those comments which was your favorite. And make sure that you stop by all of our host channels and show them some love. And visit the playlist, which will be linked in my description box below. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and, baby, hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I want to thank you for watching today, and I hope it gave you inspiration and that you enjoyed my DIY wood projects. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.